Recently, I talked about the YouTube's new update on US tax info submission. Here, I'm going to show you how you can submit your tax info if you are a creator outside from US. So let's begin how you can submit your tax info if you are away from United States. So first, you have to log into your YouTube AdSense and you can see a message showing that check if additional tax information is required from you. All YouTube creators and partners are required to submit tax information to ensure any applicable taxes on your payments are accurate. So let's click on manage tax info. So it will say you to add tax info. Let's click on it, add tax info. So after verifying your email, you will see a question here. Which type of account is this? So if you are an individual, click on individual. If you are a business owner or you are running a business or your account is a business account, then you can click on non-individual entity. So it's my individual account, so let me click on next. Are you a citizen or resident of the United States? So we are submitting a form we are outside of United States, so let's click on no, click on next. So here is the main thing. So if you are an individual, the suitable form for individual tax submission is W8BEN form. So you have to click on first option, W8BEN. So it says this form is most commonly used by non-US individuals and would also be used to claim tax treaty benefits. And the second one says this form is most commonly used by a non-US business entity or individual that earns income related to its US trade or business and files a US income tax return. So let's choose the first option and start our form, W8BEN form. So here you have to put all the details of yours. So put the name of individual, and you have to select the country of citizenship. So I'm from Nepal, so choose your country from country of citizenship. After that, you can see here taxpayer identification number. Taxpayer identification number is a tax processing number required by IRS for some tax forms. More about TIN for a foreign TIN don't include any other foreign personal identification such as Korean. If you are claiming treaty, you are required to provide a foreign TIN. So if you have a tax number that you have taken from your country, in your local place, then you can put your tax identification number here. If you don't have, leave as it is. Click on next. So you have to put your real address and real details here. So let me keep my details here. So I'll set my mailing address as same as my permanent resident address. So after that, click on next. So here comes tax treaty. Are you claiming a reduced rate of withholding under a tax treaty? So if you click on yes and choose whether your country is available or not, then you can select your country if it is available under the tax treaty. If your country has a tax treaty with US, then you can choose your country, but my country is not available here. Let me search for my country. So you can see my country is not available here. So I should choose no for this option. If you choose yes, then you have to select your country here. So let me click on no first option and click on next, and you have to confirm the W8BEN form. So you can check your form here. So you can see the form here, W8BEN form. You can recheck it if there's anything to recorrect. So I confirm this and I click on next. So let me put my legal name here. So So are you the person listed in the signature section? Yes, I am. Click on next. Here are some questions. Has the individual or entity identified in the tax identity section perform any activities and services for Google within US? So I'll click on no. Certify that. Status change affidavit. Are you providing tax info for a new or existing payments profile that hasn't received payments, or an existing payments profile that has previously received payments? If you have already received payments from your Google AdSense account, then you have to choose the second option. I am providing tax info for an existing payments profile that has previously received payments. Or you have a new account and haven't received any payments, then you have to choose first. I am providing tax info for a new or existing payments profile that hasn't received payments. So this is my AdSense account that I haven't received any payments, so I'll choose first option. If you have received payment already, you have to choose second option and click on submit. So you can see the status approved, and you can see the withholds tax that is deducted from the revenue on from US ad revenue, super chats, membership. It will be about like 30% from the earning that you earn from US. So this is the way you can submit your form according to the latest YouTube update on US tax info submission, and this is the form submission for the creators outside of the US. And you can follow my step, and if you have other details that I have shown that I haven't filled up, then you can have that information filled up so that you can get more or less tax deduction from the revenue generated from the US audience, US ad revenue, super chats, membership, super stickers. You can deduct it, or if you don't have, then you can submit as I have done it. So if you find any confusion, don't forget to write on the comment section. I will guide you with that. And if you find the video helpful, share with your friends, share with the creators around you so that they know how to fill up the form and submit it. If you don't fill this form up earlier in time, and if you don't receive it, then the 24% of all the earnings that you have earned will be deducted as tax and submitted to US tax department. So don't forget to submit the form, and don't forget to check your AdSense account and fill up this in time, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.